Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to draw this car in our MSW logo screen. We are going to use some commands that we have learned in second standard. We are doing this car activity to revise all those commands. So let's open our MSW logo screen. So this is our MSW logo screen. This is a graphics area. This is a commander window. In commander window, we are going to type some commands, and according to commands, this turtle will move. Now turtle will move according to our commands, but it will move where its head is pointing. Now head of the turtle is this pointing part. Pointing part is called as head of the turtle, and this plain part or the bottom part is called as tail of the turtle. Now whenever you will give command to this turtle, it will move where its head is pointing to. Now at this time, this is the home position of a turtle and it is pointing towards up. So if we give FD command, it will move towards up like this. It will move towards up. So before start drawing, you have to check your turtle's position and then you have to start writing your commands. So first, to draw a car, first I'll just draw a wheel, or I'll draw a circle, two circles to draw a wheel. So I'll just change the color. How do we change the color? Go to set menu, pen color, and then just select the black color. So this is how I can set the color. Now I'll start drawing a wheel first. To draw a circle, we have a circle command, CIRCLE, and then we have to give one number which is a radius of that circle. So what do you mean by radius? Now this is how we can have one circle. So radius is center point, distance between center point and any point on the circumference. This curve shape is called a circumference. So radius is the distance between center point and any point on this circumference. Now I want one more circle around this circle. To draw outer circle, we will draw one more circle. So we will give one more circle command, but this time we'll change the radius. As we want outer circle, we will give number which is more than 30. So I'll write 40. If you want to draw inner circle, you can write a number which is less than 30. So when you click on execute, it will draw a circle. So our first wheel is ready. Now to draw a car, I want to draw a horizontal line from the center towards left of this turtle. When you want to draw a horizontal line, first you have to change the turtle's position. Now it is pointing towards up. So you want to make it, you have to turn it towards left or right. So I'll move it towards left. So how to move it? Write LT. L means left, T means turn. So LT 90. Now look at the head. Now it is pointing towards left side and it is in a position to draw a horizontal line. Now what I'll do, I'll just change the color with red so that our car will be of red color. Also I'll change the size. Go to set menu, select pen size, and you can select the thicker line. This is how you can change the size and color of your pen. Pen means the lines or the circles that you are drawing using your turtle. So your turtle is acting like a pen here. Now I'll write FD 150. So this is my horizontal line. Now if you see this is a horizontal line. Now we want a vertical line over here, and then again horizontal line. Now to draw a vertical line like this, first we need to move the turtle. Now this is a right move or right turn. So I'll write RT, that is right turn, and I'll write 90 degree. Now my turtle is pointing towards up. Here I'll write FD 100. Again we have to draw one more horizontal line which is parallel to this line. So here we want a horizontal line like this. So again we need to change the direction. It should be pointing towards right. So I'll write RT, that is right turn, and I'll click on execute. Now this line is of 150. So I'll draw one more line over here which is of same size. So FD command will help me to draw a line, and I'll give one number, that is 150. That is 150 points, so that my turtle can move 150 points ahead. Now what is next? Here we want a slanting line which go in an upward direction. Now to draw a slanting line, to draw a slanting line, we should not take 90 degree angle. So what we have to do, we have to just change the angle. Instead of 90, we can take less than 90 number. So it will give us a slanting line. Now we want to move towards up. Our turtle should draw a line towards up. So we have to take a left turn. This is a left side of a turtle, so we have to take a left turn. To take a left turn, we have to use LT, left turn, LT. And instead of 90, I'll just take half of the 90, that is 45. Now look at the turtle. Now it is ready to draw a slanting line. Here again I'll give FD command, FD 100, so that I can see a slanting line. Now look at the slanting line. It is showing me a proper slanting line. But now I want one more horizontal line to draw a roof of my car. Now our turtle is moving towards left side with 45 degree. So to make it horizontal, we have to turn towards right with same 45 degree. So it will change its angle, and it is ready to draw a horizontal line again. So FD 150 is our next command. Now again we want one more slanting line, but this time we want it towards down. So what we have to check? We have to just check the turn, which turn we should take. This is right side and this is left side. So we have to turn towards right. To turn towards down side, we have to take a right turn. So again I'll take the RT, and this time also I'll use 45 degree. Now look at the turtle. It is ready to draw a slanting line towards down. Now this line is of 100 points, so we should draw a 100 point over here also. Like this. Now one more horizontal line, then vertical line, then one more horizontal, and two circles. So this is how we are going to complete our drawing. To draw a horizontal line, we have to turn our turtle again. So I'll write LT with 45 degree. And here we again use 150. Why 150? Because this is This line is of 150. So we will draw 150 points over here as well. See. Then take a right turn with 90 degree now. Move your turtle with 100 spaces ahead. Again turn it towards right and take 150 points ahead. Now again we have to draw two circles with same size, with same radius, that is 30 and 40. But it should be in black color. So again go and change the color first. Change the color first. And change the size as well. Because this line is thicker than this. So we first change the color and change the size. And here we will draw circle. We will write circle, C-I-R-C-L-E. Don't make a spelling mistake, otherwise it won't give you a proper circle shape. Oh, I think the size is bigger only, this one only. Okay, so what we can do, we can write the same command again. See, and one more circle command to complete our wheel. See, now again change the color to complete our this line. To draw this line, I am just changing the color and I'll write FD 300. So this is how our car is ready. This is how our car is ready. Now what we are going to learn is, we are going to learn how to feel the colors in the different, in this whatever shapes we are drawing, how to feel those shapes with different colors, how to color them. That we are going to learn slowly. But this is what we learn in second standard. We learn FD command, we learn RT, LT command, then we learn circle commands. So this is how you can draw different images using those commands. But what is compulsory or what is necessary, that you should give a proper commands to your MSW logo. I hope everyone understood this. If you have any doubt, you can pause the video, you can go back and check the commands again. Thank you.